बच्चों, लास्ट टाइम मैंने स्मॉल फ्रेंड का आपको -4 सिखाया था. सो टुडे वी विल गोइंग टू लर्न -3, -2 एंड -1. -4 के लिए एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4 4 एग्जाम्पल्स आर देयर. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll refresh this once. And then -3. For this only 3 examples are there. 5, 6, 7. And for -2 only 2 examples are there, 5 and 6. Okay, for -1 there is only one example, that is means actually 5 we have to take and we have to do it. So that all I will show. Before that, once I will revise this last time whatever I have taught you. Okay, so if I want to do -4 from 9, see here, first I will take 9, 9, 9, 9. If I have to -4 from this 9 number, I have to do directly -4 like this. Directly -4. Why? Because sufficient bits are there. 4 bits are there. So no problem. So whenever there is 8, I'll set it 0. Whenever fresh number you have to set means always set it 0. 8, 8, 8. So if I want to do -4 from this 8, I cannot do directly -4. Why? Because here only 3 bits are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now the problem comes. When the problem comes, that time what I have to do? We have to go for the formula. That is -4. -4's formula is +1 -5. Why +1? Means 4's friend is 1. See here. 4's friend is 1. So we have to use this 1 in this formula. And why this 5 everywhere means we are opening 5 fingers. That's why these are the numbers. Okay. So now let us see. I will first go for this example. 8 -4. 8. No, I cannot do -4 directly means I have to use this formula. I have to use this formula means +1 -5. +1 -5 means from bottom to up. That is +1 -5, +1 -5, +1 -5, +1 -5, +1 -5, like this. Down to up, down to up. Remember this. +1 -5. After doing +1 -5, what is my answer? What is my answer? 4. So 8 -4 is 4. Okay, this answer I have written here. Now we'll go for 7 -4. 7, 7, 7. From 7, I cannot do -4. Here we are learning only -4. How to do -4. But when there is 7, 7 is a big number. We can do like this, -4. Answer is 3. But in Abacus, how to do that I will teach you. 7, 7, 7. 7 -4. I cannot do directly the -4. Means no problem. Directly go to this formula. Formula is +1 -5. That is like this, from down to up, +1 -5, +1 -5, +1 -5. Hold pencil always. +1 -5, +1 -5. So from 7 -4, if you will do means answer will come 3. This answer I will write here up. Now we will go for 6 -4. This is all I have explained you in the last 8th class. Just revise 8th and 7th class. Then come for this 9th class if you are forgetting means. Then 7 -4 means I cannot, 6 -4. 6, 6, 6 I have done here. So from 6 I have to do -4. I cannot do -4 directly here. Why? Because here all sufficient bits are not there. So sufficient bits are not there means we are in problem. We cannot do directly 4 means we are in problem only. We should go for the formula. That formula is +1 -5 again. So we have to do directly +1 -5, +1 -5. By doing +1 -5, what we have done? -4. बच्चों हमने +1 -5 करने से कौन सा नंबर कर रहे हैं? -4. +1 -5, +1 -5. So my answer is 2. 6 -4 is 2. Okay. Now last example is there. 5 -4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. least a single bead is also not there. So we have to go for again 5 minus 4 means minus 4 formula is plus 1 minus 5. Again from down to up like this. Hold pencil when you are doing in the small abacus. You have to catch pencil. Plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5. Why each and every time we should say this formula means that will fix in your mind. Okay. Plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5. So my answer is 1. 5 chocolates are there. If we eat 4 chocolates means how many chocolates will remain? 1. So my answer is 1. This clearly I have explained this formula in the last class, 8th class. Even though I have refreshed this. So now I will go for the minus 3. This formula I am going to teach you now today. So for this only 3 examples are there. If what will happen 5, 6 and 7 I have taken. If what will happen 8 and 9 if I will take means that will see here. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 we have taken here. From that I want to do minus 3. So there is no problem because sufficient bits are there. So minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 I have done directly. That's why no problem. Not here there is no need to use the formulas. Okay. Now again 8 I am going to take. 8. So when there is 8 I want to do again minus 3. Again minus 3 means directly I can do minus 3. Why? Because 3 bits are there. Sufficient bits are there, isn't it? So I can do directly. No need of this formula. So when there is 5, I will take this first example now. When there is 5, I want to do minus 3. Next number is here minus 3. 5 minus 3. So I cannot do this minus 3. Why? Because here bits are not there. So we have to go for this formula. So 3's friend is 2. We should not use this first one, plus 1 minus 5, because this is 4's friend. What is 3's number? 3's friend, that we have to take. Okay. So that is 2 plus 2 minus 5. From down to up, plus 2 minus 5. For this formula we have to take plus 2. So simple. Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. By doing plus 2 minus 5, which number I have done? Minus 3. By doing plus 2 minus 5, which number I have done? Minus 3. That is down to up. Remember this. Answer is 2. Next, 6 minus 3. Again here I cannot do directly minus 3. I cannot do directly minus 3. Why? Because the single bits are there. So 3 I cannot do directly means what I have to do? I have to go for this minus 3 formula. That is plus 2 minus 5. Like this. From again down to up. Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. Say every time. Each and every time repeat the formula. Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. So what is my answer? 6 minus 3 is 3. Here this is 2. Now 7 minus 3 I will take. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7 minus 3. Again I cannot do directly minus 3 because one bead is less here. Otherwise I would have done minus 3 directly. So I cannot do here. So what I have to do? Again I have to go for this minus 3 formula. That is plus 2 minus 5. 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 So 7 minus 3 is 4. My answer is 4. I hope you understood this. Now what you do? Stop this video, zoom this video and take this example. I will rub these answers here, otherwise you will get confusion here. Okay. See here. Minus 4 examples are 4. Those are 5, 6, 7 and 8. From this you have to do minus 4. And for minus 3 there is only 3 examples. 5, 6, 7 means 3 examples means in this example when these numbers will come, you will get problem. So that time you have to use this formula. Now we will go for the minus 2. Okay. Here, this minus 2 will learn now. So when there is 9, I want to do minus 2. When there is 9 minus 2 I want to do. I can do directly here. Why? Because sufficient bits are there. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So now, when there is 8, I want to do 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, even in this also, I can do directly minus 2. Why? Because sufficient bits are there. So I can do directly minus 2. Not need to go for this formula. Then again, 7 minus 2. When there is 7, I can do directly minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So simple. Why? Because sufficient bits are there. So when the problem comes, when there is 5. Now here it is 5. Okay. When there is 5, I want to do minus 2 here. I cannot do minus 2. Why? Because directly I cannot do. Why? Because sufficient bits are not there. When sufficient bits are not there, you are in problem. You are in problem means what I have to do? You have to remember minus 2's formula. So here, 2's friend is 3. So we have to use this friend here. We have to use that friend here. How we will use this friend? We will see. Plus 3, minus 5. This is plus 3. Friend I have used here. Minus 5. This is minus 5 I have done here. Plus 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5. Plus 3 minus 5 means what I have done? Indirectly, I have done minus 2. The number minus 2. Okay. So, my answer 5 minus 2 is 3. For this answer will be 3. Answer is 3 for this. Okay. Now 6 minus 2. 6. Okay. I want to do 6 minus 2. Now also I cannot do directly this minus 2 here. So again I have to use this formula. 2's friend is 3. 3 I have to use here. Plus 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5. So my answer is 4. For this answer is 4. Okay. Now the last one, minus 1 will come now. We see this, minus 1. For minus 1, when there is 9, I can do directly minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. But when there is 8, I want to do minus 1. Even when there is 8, I can do minus 1 very easily. See here, directly I can do minus 1. When there is 7, then also I can do minus 1, 1, 1, 1 directly. So not need to go for this formula. So when there is 6, now also I can do directly minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. There is not required this formula. But when there is 5, that time the problem comes. When there is 5, if you want to do 5 minus 1, आपको 5 minus 1 करना है. तब see here, when there is 5, you cannot do directly minus 1. So again once friend is plus 4. You have to go for the formula. So plus 4 minus 5. Plus 4 minus 5 you have to use, but that is also down to up. Down to up like this. Plus 4 minus 5. Plus 4 minus 5. You are doing plus 4. Say plus 4 minus 5. Plus 4 you are doing say plus 4 minus 5. Plus 4 minus 5 like this. By doing plus 4 minus 5, what I have done? I have done minus 1. I hope you understood this. Now my answer is 4. 5 minus 1. Answer is 4. Okay. So I will rub these answers. Pause this video. Zoom this video. And take the example. And each and every example. For minus 4 you have got 4 examples. For minus 3 you have got 3 examples. For minus 2 you have got only 2 examples. For minus 1 you have got only 1 example. But each and every example you have to practice 10 times. 10 times. You just set it 0. Set this 5 everywhere. Do minus 4. How you will do minus 4? Plus 1 minus 5 plus 1. Like this, these all 4 formulas you have to practice. in your small abacus. In a small abacus. So after that I will give some sums for you. See this. These are the examples. You write down this. Zoom this, pause this, and write down these examples. And each and every example you have to practice. Remember this. Practice 10 times. Afterward I will give this sum on this. Okay. Sums on this. So now see here. I have taught you -4, -3, -2 and -1. On this some sums I have given here. That I will explain now. First, these 4 sums are on -4. That we'll see. So, in a center rod, whenever you are doing the sums, you have to do here. When you are practicing full abacus, you have to practice. But when you are doing the sum, only take center rod, this one, or otherwise here, unit point or home point is there. No? There you have to practice. So now, 5. First number is 5. Then -4. I cannot do -4 directly here. So what we have learned? -4 means we have to do +1 -5. That formula we have to use for this number. So +1 -5. Now 8. 8 bits are there directly 8. So what is my answer here? 9. So what is my answer here? 9. Now next. Again set it 0. Center rod. Then 2, 5 -6. 2 directly 5. Here nothing is there means you can understand that this number is plus number, okay? 5 -6. Answer is 1. Now, third sum. First number is 1. Next number is 7. 7 means 1 upper bit, 2 lower bits directly. Don't count this one. Separately, 1 upper bit, 2 lower bit you have to take. -4. -4 directly I cannot do here. So, I have to use that formula, -4 formula. What is the -4 formula? +1 -5 from down to up. +1 -5. So answer is 4. Then next, first number is 4. Here nothing is there means you should understand that it is +4. So I have done +4. 3. I cannot do +3 directly here. Why? Because here a single bit is also not there. So plus formula you have learnt, isn't it? +3 formula, that is from up to down. From up to down. +5 -2. 3's friend is 2, no? So we have to push 2 down. Last time in plus small friends formula you have learnt, no? That here it came, okay? Now 7. Now again last number is -4. Again I have to do -4 here. I cannot do -4 here. I cannot do directly -4 means -4's formula you have to use. -4's formula is +1 -5. Answer is 3. This sum is very nice. See, here plus formula also came and minus formula. Practice. Now this is on the -4 basis, and this is on -3 base. Now we'll see this. First number is 8 -1. Second number is -1. I have done directly. Then -3. -3 I cannot do directly. So -3's formula what I have taught you just now. +2 -5. +2 -5. +2 -5 is the formula for -3. So answer is 4. Answer is 4. Next sum. 2. Again next number is 4. 4 I cannot do directly here. So who is 4's friend? That is also again plus. Whatever you have learnt in small friend plus numbers, no? +4, +3, +2 and +1. From that they have given this sum. So +4, I cannot do directly 4 means 4's friend is 1. So when +4 you are going to do means up to down. You have to bring your hand movement from up to down. +5 -1. +5 -1. Then -3 again. I cannot do directly -3 here. So -3 I cannot do means 3's friend is 2. +2 -5. Why my hand movement came from down to up now means this number is minus. When the number is plus, you have to bring your hand movement from up to down. Okay. So now my answer is 3. Now this one, third one. 1, 6, again -4. Again -4 I cannot do directly. So again -4 formula you people know. +1 -5. Answer is 3. Next. 7. How to do -3? 2 minus 5. Understood? Then 1. Again last number is 1. But I cannot do here 1. So again plus small friend came here. Who is the friend of 1? 4. Plus 5 minus 4. Up to down. Why my hand movement came from up to down? Because this is the plus number. So I have used this 4. Plus 5 minus 4. My answer is 5. Next. Can you see this? So now I will explain this. This is on the basis of minus 2. First number is 8. Next number is minus 2. I can do directly minus 2. Then last one more minus 2 is there. One more minus 2 is there. That how to do here? I cannot do directly. Why? Because a single bead is there. I have to use the formula of minus 2. What is the formula of minus 2? Plus 3 minus 5. From down to up. Plus 3 minus 5. So my answer is 4. Now next. 2, 4 minus 2. 2, 4 I cannot do directly. That is plus 4. Plus 4 means hand movement will come from up to down. But we have to use its friend. Plus 5 minus 1. Then minus 2. Last number is minus 2. That also I cannot do minus 2 directly. When the number comes in minus, our hand movement will go from down to up. So we have to use the formula. 2's friend is 3. Plus 3 minus 5. Answer is 4. Now this one. 8. Minus 3 directly I can do here. Then minus 2 is there. Minus 2 I cannot do. Plus 3 minus 5. Answer is 3. Next. 5 minus 2 I cannot do directly. Minus 2's formula is plus 3 minus 5. Plus 3 minus 5. Then 6. Last number is plus 6. Directly I can do because bits are there. 6 bits are there. 6. So total we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Now you cannot see this last line here. So I will explain this in the small abacus. Hold pencil or pen like this in the right hand. The first number is, you see this number first. 5 minus 1, 3. This is on the basis of minus 1. Okay. That will do here. 5. Then minus 1 is there. Minus 1 I cannot do directly here. So minus 1's formula is plus 4 minus 5. Down to up. Plus 4 minus 5. Last number is 3 is there. So I cannot do plus 3 as well because here bits are not there. Bits are not there. So I have to use plus this formula. That is from up to down. Plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2. I hope you understood this. So answer is, one more time I will show you. See. 5. Now minus 1 is there. Second number I cannot do. Minus 1 means plus 4 minus 5. If I will do like this, minus 1 I have done here. So next number is 3. 3 I cannot do directly here. So I have to use the formula again. Plus formula. Plus 5 minus 2. Answer is 7. Next sum. See the sum first. 9 minus 4 minus 1. 9 minus 4 minus 1. That will solve here. Okay. 9 minus 4 I can do directly. Last number was minus 1. Minus 1 I cannot do directly means what I have to do? I have to remember 1's friend. 1's minus small friend is plus 4 minus 1. Minus 5, sorry. Minus 5. Plus 4 minus 5. One more time I will show this. First number is 9. Directly minus 4. Last number is minus 1. Minus 1 I cannot do here. So 1's friend is, formula is plus 4 minus 5. If I will do like this, I have done minus 1 here. So my answer is, after doing all these three numbers, we have to count this. And then write the answer. 4. Answer is 4. Now remaining these two examples also, sums also, I will solve. First number is 2, 3 minus 1. 2. Next number is 3. Plus 3 is there. So plus 3 means I cannot do here 3. So plus 3 small friend you know. Plus 5 minus 2 from up to down. And last number is minus 1. Again minus 1 I cannot do here. So minus 1 formula you know. Plus 4 minus 5. So my answer is 4. After doing all these three numbers, you have to count here and write the answer. 5 minus 1, 5. This I will do. 5. Next number is minus 1. Minus 1 I cannot do, means I have to do with formula. Plus 4 minus 5. This is minus 1. Then again 5. My answer is, count it, 9. Answer is 9. So I hope you followed this. This each and every sum you have to practice 10 times. Sums also. This you have to practice 10 times, and then I will give some homework on this all. Okay. So ये ले लो homework. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. On this all, the sums homework sums are there. You have to practice this. All you have to practice 10 times. Next time we'll go for big friend. Big friend बहुत मजा आने वाला है. Next time we'll go for it is very interesting. We'll go for big friend next time. So बच्चों practice करो. More you have to practice. If you are not understanding, means go back 6th 7th class. You have to practice more. 6 7 8 9. One more time you have to practice this all. Be perfect before learning the big friend. Okay बच्चों. All the best. Practice more and more. Okay. Bye.